Okay, I did this well setup 9 years ago, and I added the meter once I realized that the well was a kind of a low yield well. But what I've since learned is that like this is an older well and the water only comes in from the bottom. It doesn't have any perf like a 40-foot section where the water leaches in on the sides. And so it's what I've been kind of told, and I'm understanding, is that the bottom where the inlet comes in, because it only has an 8-inch hole, and I have hard water, it actually can plug itself up and it like calcifies, and that's where some of the restrictions coming in. So what I have to do is put this stuff in there called hyperchlorite, and that's just like a highly concentrated chlorine. And you put that in the well, and then you actually add water to it to create a lot of static pressure, and then you recirculate it. That's going to be way easier to do with a different type of setup, which is called a pitless. And a pitless is this adapter right here, and it actually drills into the side of the casing. And when you set the pump, instead of sitting on top of a well seal like this, it actually drops down into the saddle and then kicks down underneath the ground. I don't think I would ever put a well in again without doing this, not because of this aspect, but like if you ever have to have the pump pulled, you don't have to remove all the plumbing. Okay, so the meter will still stay in play. We're going to come out here. I'm going to actually seal this with bentonite. That was never done correctly when it was put in. And then I'll pour a small concrete pad to seal the well. And I have an enclosure to go over to lock it and protect it. And then we'll come out, and in the ground will be a concrete box with the meter. I just always want to see what the well's producing, and it helps me kind of calculate the time and the amount, that I have. And I also have a meter in the house to determine how much I'm using, just to kind of keep a good idea. So that's my quick well project I'm working on.